Namaskar. Welcome to the 20th episode of the Ultimate Meditation Podcast. Industrialization has turned every individual into a consumer. Mass production has increasingly become easier using heavier machineries and technology available today. Products are available at cheaper price and thus people are able to afford more purchases. Humanity has always been a slave to materialism. Possessing more is viewed as high status in the society. In this race of exponential consumerism, individualism is getting lost. When our identity is attached to things we possess, then we forget who we really are and what do we really like and what all is just for maintaining that social status. Consumerism is the recipe for losing one's true self. It is slavery in disguise. Our peace of minds gets eroded in hoarding things, majority of which we don't even need. Can we pause for a moment and reflect a bit about this? Think about what are the things that serve functional value in your life. Put them together in a list. And make another list of the things that hold only aesthetic and emotional value. Make a third list of items which are redundant or you have too many of them. Gradually start dispersing the items in the second and third list. Make intentional efforts to declutter your space of the things that you don't use or need. You may sell, gift, or donate those items. You can do this exercise for things at home and at your workspace. It can take up some time, but it will be very rewarding in the end. When you declutter and organize your living space, you welcome a fresh, calming energy into your life. So it's not only reclaiming your physical space, but also your mental space. You will feel more at peace in general and finding things that you need will be so much quicker and easier. Living with less is called minimalism. Minimalism helps you identify your needs clearly. Living minimally gives us a lot of freedom from the competition mindset of hoarding the latest and the greatest. It saves your hard-earned money, which can now be utilized in investments for a better future, gaining rewarding life experiences, learning new useful skills, and sharing some with less fortunate ones. Additionally, minimalism saves you time, which you used to spend in buying and maintaining the things you don't even need in the first place. This allows you more time on hand for self, family, and friends. So declutter today and reclaim your time, money, peace of mind, and freedom. If you wish to seek further clarity on any part of this podcast or should you have any feedback, please feel free to write to me in the comment box below. I'll be very happy to respond to them. You can also book a 10-minute one-on-one free consultation with me. Booking a longer session is also possible. If you want to do guided meditation with me, then also you may reach out to me. The information about the form for booking consultation is given in the description box below. For a healthy real-time interaction, I'll be running live Q&A sessions on my channel. The date and time for the same will be announced on my channel's post. You can also purchase my paintings from my Instagram profile if you would like to support my efforts of empowering your life. The Instagram link is also included in the description box below. I will speak to you next time in another episode. Till then, please take good care. Namaskar.